And the cow says moo! Huh? Oh! Hi, kids! Let's play with the colored surprise egg. 1 orange, 2 pink, 3 yellow. Oh! Huh? Cuquin, no! Oh! Huh? The eggs are lost. We need to find them. Oh! That's an orange fish. Try again. It's the orange egg! Let's open the egg. Open, open, open! Surprise! Yay! It's an orange cat!
And on this farm there was a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the cat say?
Meow.
Let's go for another surprise egg.
Yay!
There are 2 eggs left. Where could they be?
Huh?
Oh, that's a pink dinosaur.
Huh?
Try again.
Oh.
It's the pink egg. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise!
Doggy,
It's a
yay!
pink dog.
And on his farm there was a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the dog say?
Woof woof.
Let's go for another surprise egg.
Yay!
There's 1 egg left. Where could it be? That's a yellow mouse. It's the yellow egg. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a yellow chick.
Yay! And on his farm there was a chick, E-I-E-I-O, with a tweet tweet here and a tweet tweet there. Here a tweet, there a tweet, everywhere a tweet tweet. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the chick say?
Cheep cheep.
How fun! What animals have we played with?
Cat. Dog. Chick.
Panda Bag. Songs, episodes, music. Cleo and Cuquin's app has lots of fun.
Oh.
Ghost? Huh?
Yeah! Huh? Red circle! Huh? Not triangle, circle. Ha! Ooh. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Giant red rabbit. Bye-bye, Red Rabbit. More! Yellow triangle. Huh? Not a triangle? Oh! Triangle, yeah! Whoa! Yay! Giant yellow rabbit! Hey! Yeah! Bye-bye, yellow rabbit! More! Blue square. No. Hey! Oh! Huh? Giant blue rabbit! Boo! Bye-bye, blue rabbit! More! Huh? Ah! Orange pentagon! Whoa! Giant orange rabbit! Oh! Hey! Ha! Bye-bye, orange rabbit. Red rabbit. Yellow rabbit. Blue rabbit. Orange rabbit. Yeah!